Hey everyone, first of all, a massive thanks to each and every one of you for the insane love, trust, support that you've been showing on Lumio for the past year. I mean, seriously, your reviews and those 5-star ratings on Amazon have pushed us all the way to become the top 5 best-selling Google TVs on Amazon India. And that was just the start. As a side news, we are also now available on Flipkart. So yeah, you can now order the Lumio Vision series from both Amazon and Flipkart. Now, as you all know, it's been a crazy journey since we launched Lumio Vision, India's fastest Google TV. No endless waiting, Netflix loads up in seconds, and buttery smooth navigation. And guess what? We are just getting started. Very soon, we'll be leveling up your Google TV experience with Android 14. And the best part? This update will not be slowing down your existing TVs at all. Lumio will continue to be India's fastest Google TV, now supercharged with the latest OS. And for the new buyers, we've already started shipping out Lumio Vision TVs with Android 14 built right out of the box. But before I go over the new features and updates, if you're not a Lumio user and you're planning to buy a new TV, let me quickly tell you why Lumio is better than all other smart TVs in the market and what unique experience you'll get from Lumio's Android optimization. Now, as you know, RAM and chip prices are skyrocketing right now, but we're one of the very few brands in the entire world that give you 3GB RAM across the entire TV lineup, even though most TV brands stick to 2GB. Lumio Vision TVs come with impeccable brightness thanks to our highest grade panels, real QLED technology that gives more than 100% DCI-P3 color volume, and our flagship mini LED that gives supreme black levels. You have to see it to believe it. And not just that, we support Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and speakers that have a 100% bigger cavity than others. So yeah, we're a complete package. Enough of us, let's jump into the updates now. So first of all, why should you even upgrade your device from Android 11 to Android 14? Well, if you're still using Android 11, it's stable and it works well, but sticking to it means that you're missing out on features that make your daily TV experience faster and better. So, let me break down the top 4 features that nobody's talking about, plus some extra features that blend in perfectly. And trust me, once you see this, you will instantly update. Let's start with the setup process. Remember the old days of Android 11? If you want to sign into your TV, you have to download the Google Home app and deal with all Wi-Fi setup headaches. Kind of inconvenient, especially if you're setting up from your iPhone. But now, Android 14 makes it completely dummy-proof. Just scan this new QR code on your screen and that's it. If you're on iPhone, it downloads an app clip, which is a temporary app. It handles Wi-Fi, Google sign-in, everything under a minute. Next up, let's talk about UI. This is one of the very first things you'll notice after our update. In Android 11, the quick settings pop from the right, but the deeper settings would slide in from the left. Confusing, right? And it also blocks your view while you are changing modes, switching brightness, or changing inputs. Now, Android 14 fixes it all. Everything comes from the right. And all of it is updated with Google's latest material design language like rounded icons, smoother animations, etc. Even error messages look fresh, not like those old pop-ups. Now imagine you're in the middle of the movie and you quickly want to toggle your brightness. Now thanks to Android 14, it slides in from the right, nothing blocks your view, and you can switch picture modes without interrupting your experience. And on the Lumio Vision TVs, this gets even better. We have optimized the UI for our hardware, so everything feels fast, responsive, and unbelievably smooth. Don't believe me? Well, once you update, go to the picture settings and just hold the right arrow button. It'll just glide through all the picture modes and you will understand what I'm talking about. Now, in old Android 11, power saving was pretty basic. But now, Android 14 introduces 3 new energy saving modes: low, optimized, and increased. Now, the low mode will turn off all network activity when your TV is asleep, which is great if you want to save on those electricity bills. Then optimized mode will wake your TV up for network activities like Google Cast, and increased mode will always keep your TV connected to the internet, perfect for smart home devices talking to your TV. Now, just below the setting is a new feature called Power On Behavior. Now, if you have like a PS5 connected to your TV, you can set the TV to last used input and it will always boot straight to the PS5. No more hunting for the right HDMI. Okay, now this is my favorite one. Imagine a friend wants to come over and connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, earlier you'd have to manually type out the password, but now with Android 14, they just have to scan a QR code from your TV and they connect instantly. That's like magic. And lastly, we've made our TVs more accessible to people with color blindness because Android 14 now has color correction profiles. Now imagine someone with color blindness is watching with you. Before, they might have trouble telling the difference between red and green in a game or a movie. Now you can change the color profile and they can see the difference clearly. Not only that, but we've optimized Android 14 perfectly for you, so you can get the best-in-class experience from Vision 7 or Vision 9. Also, as Lumio Vision owners, you will get an OTA update for your Vision 7 and Vision 9 very soon. Just go to Settings, System, About, System Update to grab Android 14. And the best part, Lumio Vision TVs are already shipping with Android 14 both on Amazon and Flipkart. So yeah, time's up. Duty calls. Catch you guys in the next one. Smash a like if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button for more updates, and until then, keep chilling.